Yo, what's going on everybody? Nasty Mango here, and today we are going to be going to a car meet, and there is Caedmon's EG. Yo, what's up, Caedmon? Oh, listen to that. Alright, we are here. Holy crap. Look at this eclipse, bro, in the red. The gold on red is just super clean. Look from the back. Then we got Caedmon's Civic. Super nice. Look at this Beamer, bro. Super clean. Yo, I love the 328i's. Yo, the RX-8. God dang. That is super heat. Yo, we about to go in the loop in the truck.
It's a 1989 S250.
Holy crap. Oh.
You don't feel any power at all whatsoever unless you're in a lower gear. I bought it and figured out that once you get moving, it can haul
Holy, my ears are literally ringing. That was insane. Oh, bro, I love myself a good old SW20. MR2s are so clean. I hear a VQ. Oh. So where are we about to go, Caedmon?
We're about to go to 76 right below Spiral.
Oh.
Bro, I gotta close my window. It's so loud.
The VQ though.
It sounds so bad, dude. Don't even. I love you, Jake.
We got 328i, SW20, RX-8, I think a Legacy, and the EG. We better go.
We got third, boys. Let's go.
Oh.
stinks bad.
Oh, blow by.
Oh, there's some.
Ain't nothing but low blow by.
I want to cool down.
Yeah.
Push through.
That's you
smoking.
that I was smelling. I thought it was me, bro.
Just kind of smoking.
Are you good?
How much you got?
Oh my god.
Tobin, let me see.
Tobin,
Dip it again. Dip it again.
There's nothing to show.
Tobin, dip it again. What did you do? Tobin, wait.
Wait. What? It's.
Yo,
Check
hold
it
up.
out.
We need
I
it. We
didn't
need
clean
to
it
see this.
Tobin.
Dude, this is the second time this is happening.
God damn it, this is sin, bro.
your engine.
You're good. You have oil, but not much.
Tobin.
You're about a quart low. Bro, this guy's legacy was on us the whole time. Bro, you were like on us.
Well, I do this like almost like 2 nights every weekend for like a whole year now.
That all-wheel drive really shows. Like, love the sticker. Very nice. Man,
Oh my god! You're gonna be real steaming by the end of this.
bro.
You're gonna have to lift the funnel up just a tiny bit, probably.
Dude, I do this every single day.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
I
bad.
Yeah, obviously not. It's
No, that's how much you're losing today.
Come on, Tobin. Come on. Tobin, you gotta yank the e-brake.
Oh.
That tire's rubbing so bad. I can't get anything. Yank the e-brake. You need more horsepower.
Bro, I can do it in like a perfectly smooth car come out.
Yeah,
Like
it's
I
a
can
fact.
move grip so easy. But in here,
You need a limited slip. Welded this.
I was waiting for it to pop. Oh. Steamy.
Oh, chemicals. You should be a bartender, bro. What are you doing?
Bartender.
I love how you just stick your oil just right in the hood of your car. It's so
like
funny.
It's
I love how the air intake just wobbles.
Yeah.